Coimbatore is the fastest growing Tier 2 city in India. It is the second largest metropolitan and one of the most industrialized cities in Tamil Nadu. As per the 2011 census, the population of Coimbatore is over 20 lakhs. It is now estimated to be over 28 lakhs in 2021. The city needs ample funds to maintain its existing infrastructure and build new amenities to cater to the needs of its growing population. For all this, we must ensure that we have adequate funds and we must improve our revenue collection. Currently, our revenue covers just over 50% of our expenditure needs. It is time we strive for better and bolder impact towards achieving financial sustainability. This November, CCMC in collaboration with Janagraha brings to you the first ever Municipal Premier League in Coimbatore. MPL will be conducted for our 52 bill collectors and 5 AROs across 4 revenue streams: property tax, professional tax, non-tax revenue and water charges. Through MPL, CCMC aims to meet 4 of its objectives: improve collections across all revenue streams, recognize and reward our revenue officials for their contributions, apply a data-based approach to decision-making, improve tax-paying habits of citizens through citizen-centric sustained communication campaigns. We understand your job is not easy. So in order to honor your contribution and acknowledge your efforts, you will be rewarded on a monthly and quarterly basis under various award categories. We are here to support you throughout your journey.
Hello. Coimbatore Municipal Corporation is extremely delighted to collaborate with Janagraha in organizing the first ever Municipal Premier League in Coimbatore Corporation. We expect that this event will help in encouraging and boosting the confidence of our assistant revenue officers as well as our bill collectors and improve their performance levels. Thank you.
அனைத்து வரி வசூலர்களும் இந்த போட்டியில் கலந்து கொண்டு உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட இலக்கினை அடைய நான் வாழ்த்துகிறேன். We'll all work together to make Coimbatore Corporation to achieve its great height.
We invite each one of you to put your best foot forward to turn this into a grand success. This November, pledge to join hands and work as a team to make Coimbatore the best city in India. Let the competition begin.
Success. We will be numbers. Yes, we will. Achievers. We are achievers. We are achievers.